Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Travel Partner Official here, back at it again with another video. Today, we're taking you guys with us to the beautiful city of Zurich, Switzerland. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on all the epic adventures we have in store. We're talking cobblestone streets, stunning lake views, world-class museums, and some seriously delicious chocolate. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip abroad, Zurich has something for everyone. So buckle up, grab your passport, and get ready to explore the top 15 things to do in Zurich, Switzerland. Let's do this thing. All right, first up, we're hitting the streets of Zurich's Old Town, also known as Altstadt. This place is like stepping back in time with its narrow cobblestone alleys, colorful buildings, and charming cafes. You can feel the history here, and it's incredible. We're talking ancient churches, hidden courtyards, and stories around every corner. I'm talking about the kind of place where you can wander for hours, just soaking it all in. Trust me, get lost in the maze of streets and discover hidden gems. You won't regret it. And hey, while you're here, grab a coffee and pastry at one of the local bakeries. This is the perfect way to start your Zurich adventure. Trust me on that. Next up, let's talk about the crown jewel of Zurich, Lake Zurich. This place is absolutely stunning, with its crystal clear blue waters surrounded by snow-capped mountains. Seriously, the views are unreal. You can take a boat tour, rent a paddle boat, or just chill out by the lake and soak up the sun. There are also plenty of restaurants and cafes along the waterfront, offering some prime people-watching opportunities. We spent hours just walking along the promenade, enjoying the fresh air and the scenery. If you're looking for a place to relax and recharge, Lake Zurich is it. Make sure to grab some gelato and enjoy the views. You won't be disappointed. All right, time for a little culture. The Swiss National Museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in Swiss history and culture. This place is huge, with exhibits covering everything from the Middle Ages to the present day. You'll see ancient artifacts, learn about Switzerland's role in World War II, and discover the country's rich artistic heritage. One of my favorite exhibits was on the history of Swiss watches. It's amazing to see how these intricate timepieces are made. Trust me, you can easily spend a whole day exploring the Swiss National Museum. It's a fascinating journey through time. All right, guys, get ready for some epic views because we're heading up to Uetliberg Mountain. This is the highest point in Zurich, and trust me, the panoramic views from the top are breathtaking. You can see the entire city, Lake Zurich, and the Swiss Alps stretching out in the distance. You can hike up to the summit or take a scenic train ride. Either way, it's an experience you won't forget. We opted for the train, and it was so relaxing to just sit back and enjoy the scenery. Once you're at the top, there are plenty of hiking trails to explore, ranging from easy strolls to more challenging climbs. Make sure to pack a picnic lunch and enjoy the views. It's the perfect way to spend an afternoon in Zurich. Okay, let's be real. No trip to Zurich is complete without a stroll down Bahnhofstrasse. This is one of the most expensive shopping streets in the world, and for good reason. We're talking designer boutiques, luxury watch stores, and high-end department stores as far as the eye can see. Even if you're not in the mood to drop some serious cash, it's still fun to window shop and admire the beautiful things. And hey, who knows? You might even find a souvenir or two. But seriously, be prepared to be amazed by the sheer opulence of it all. Bahnhofstrasse is a shopper's paradise, but even if you're on a budget, it's worth a visit just for the experience. Next up, we're heading to the Zurich Zoo, and let me tell you, this place is incredible. We're talking over 375 species of animals from all over the world, living in spacious, naturalistic enclosures. You can get up close and personal with lions, elephants, penguins, and so much more. The zoo is also heavily involved in conservation efforts, so you know your visit is supporting a good cause. We spent hours just wandering around, admiring the animals, and learning about their habitats. The Zurich Zoo is a must-visit for animal lovers of all ages. It's a fun and educational experience for the whole family. All right, art lovers, this one's for you. The Kunsthaus Zurich is one of the most important art museums in Switzerland, with a collection spanning from the Middle Ages to contemporary art. We're talking masterpieces by Picasso, Monet, Van Gogh, and so many more. The museum also has a fantastic collection of Swiss art, so you can really get a feel for the country's artistic heritage. I was blown away by the sheer diversity and quality of the art on display. Whether you're a seasoned art aficionado or just appreciate a good painting, the Kunsthaus Zurich is a must visit. Trust me, you'll be impressed. Let's take a step back in time and visit Lindenhof, one of Zurich's most historic sites. This hilltop square offers incredible views of the Old Town, the Limmat River, and the surrounding hills. Lindenhof has been a significant spot since Roman times, and you can still see remnants of the old Roman fortress that once stood here. Today it's a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city, perfect for a relaxing stroll or a picnic lunch. Grab a bench, soak up the atmosphere, and imagine what life was like here centuries ago. Trust me, the views alone are worth the visit, but the historical significance makes Lindenhof truly special. Don't miss it. All right, guys, let's hop on a boat and experience Zurich from a whole new perspective with a cruise down the Limmat River. This is one of my favorite ways to see the city, as it takes you past all the major landmarks and offers stunning views of the waterfront. You'll glide past the Old Town, the Grossmünster Church, the Fraumünster Church, and so much more. The boat also takes you out onto Lake Zurich, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. It's a relaxing and scenic way to see the city, and it's perfect for all ages. Trust me, a Limmat River cruise is a must-do when in Zurich. Need a break from the hustle and bustle of the city? Then head to the Botanical Garden, a tranquil oasis in the heart of Zurich. This place is home to over 13,000 plant species from all over the world, housed in beautiful greenhouses and outdoor gardens. You'll find everything from exotic flowers to towering trees, and it's the perfect place to escape the city noise and enjoy some peace and quiet. Take a stroll through the gardens, admire the vibrant colors and scents, and learn about the fascinating world of plants. The Botanical Garden is a hidden gem in Zurich, offering a serene and educational experience for visitors of all ages. Calling all music and theater lovers, the Zurich Opera House is a must-visit for its stunning architecture and world-class performances. This grand building is a sight to behold, with its ornate facade and elegant interior. Even if you don't have time to catch a show, it's worth taking a tour to admire the building's beauty and learn about its history. And if you do have the opportunity to see a performance, don't miss it. The Zurich Opera House is renowned for its exceptional acoustics and talented performers. Trust me, a night at the opera is an unforgettable experience. All right, let's talk about one of Zurich's most iconic landmarks, the Fraumünster Church. This beautiful church dates back to the 9th century and is known for its stunning stained glass windows designed by the one and only Marc Chagall. Seriously, these windows are breathtaking, the colors are so vibrant, and the details are incredible. Even if you're not particularly religious, the Fraumünster Church is worth a visit for the art alone. Take your time admiring the windows, and don't forget to look up at the ceiling. You'll be amazed by the craftsmanship. Looking for a unique and tranquil experience in Zurich? Then head to the Chinese Garden, a hidden gem located on the lakefront. This beautiful garden was a gift from Zurich's Chinese partner city Kunming, and it's a stunning example of traditional Chinese garden design. You'll find pavilions, bridges, ponds, and waterfalls all arranged in perfect harmony. It's the perfect place to escape the city noise and enjoy some peace and quiet. Take a stroll through the garden, admire the intricate details, and experience a touch of Chinese culture in the heart of Switzerland. All right, art lovers, this one's for you. The Rietberg Museum is a must-visit for its impressive collection of non-European art. We're talking artifacts and artworks from Asia, Africa, Oceania, and the Americas, spanning thousands of years. The museum is housed in a beautiful 19th century villa, surrounded by a lush park. It's the perfect place to spend an afternoon exploring different cultures and artistic traditions. From ancient sculptures to contemporary paintings, the Rietberg Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the diversity of human creativity. All right, party people, this one's for you. When the sun goes down, Zurich West comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. This trendy district is packed with bars, clubs, and restaurants, offering something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a laid-back pub, a swanky cocktail bar, or a pumping nightclub, you'll find it all in Zurich West. This is the place to be if you want to experience Zurich's cool and edgy side. So put on your dancing shoes, grab your friends, and get ready for a night out in Zurich West. And that's a wrap on Zurich. This city seriously blew me away. From the stunning lake views to the charming old town, from the world-class museums to the vibrant nightlife, Zurich has it all. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or a longer adventure, I guarantee you'll fall in love with this city just like I did. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.